He's gonna be awesome!
I'm gonna run up this log and backflip off the end of it.
Okay.
I think I'm actually gonna get like maybe just over the fire, and then it's gonna
should we move
teeter-totter and break.
Wait, we should move the axe. He'll probably do it better if we move the axe. They wrap it completely. I love that.
Okay, we made it out here to Serene Lake in Oregon, around Mount Hood area. The water is clear. We hiked in about 4 miles probably, with a huge elevation gain at one point. I am wiped out. So yeah, we're probably just gonna relax the rest of the day. That's good.
Zelma breaker.
That's good.
Did you get any of the amaretto?
Not yet. I'm doing the whiskey first.
So, we had quite a late start. I think we made the trailhead by like 9:30
Yeah, but
p.m. So all in the dark. And the whole drive out, we were slamming beers the whole way. Not just any beers, like 7 to like 9% or something like that. And then also slammed beers on the trail while we walked out here and smoked joints and stumbled our way all the way up here. It was pretty fun.
Nice. That's pretty epic, I would say.
It's like the whiskey smell, that's for sure. They came out and forced us like, this motherfucker brought whiskey too! Shit!
I wonder if we just drink enough to get really fucked up, if it'll make our blood not tasty anymore.
Yeah. We'll just get the skeets really drunk. Give it a swirl.
Alright. I wanted mine on the rocks.
Yeah, here. I got one for you. Alright, cheers. Cheers to the fucking 4-mile hike up here. God damn.
Yeah.
He's gonna be awesome!
Gonna run up this log and backflip off the end of it.
Okay.
I think I'm actually gonna get like maybe just over the fire, and then it's gonna
should we move
teeter-totter and break.
Wait, we should move the axe. He'll probably do it better if we move the axe.
I like it here. It's quiet, it's cold. I like how quiet it is away from roads and cities. Like, even still, there's too many people here for my liking, but
And
it's
they
still
would
much
wish
different.
that we were also quiet.
I came out here to have fun, not to be around them. They're ruining my weekend. Spoken like a, what's the male version of a Karen?
Alright.
Kevin?
Or Karen.
So I
I heard it was Chad.
Oh,
on how Harry said sometimes. Nice Lincoln Logs.
Got a little. Yeah,
Check it out.
What'd you make?
Little tongs.
Oh, let me zoom in.
Did you see the pictures of you saw
Manipulators.
That was a shank, by the way. With the invisible, you know.
Cool. They work pretty good.
Wrapped around the bottom here just to hold it.
You could even notch it.
Yeah, right.
Nice.
Nice.
It's got kind of a notch. Just that up. And this back ever so slightly.
Nice.
Presto.
So angry.
I'm an angry person.
Oh shit.
Healthiest of choices, but it's gonna be tasty. You don't spit the way. Something.
It's like a random
I
random.
have bad luck. It's not that
I'm not opening the bag now because we got Brandon's fart rolling through.
Okay.
Guys,
Poached eggs.
damn, it smells good.
Only took about 35
Only
minutes.
took like 30.
It's the end of a long trip. 2-night trip to Serene Lake. We're gonna head back here soon. Till next time.